Hey guys, welcome to our channel RudraVed. Today we're going to doing 5 minutes intense dumbbell chest workout. See, it's going to be brutal. Let's say you can stay till the fifth exercise. You see, fifth exercise is super brutal. So what you want to do is same 45-second of workout followed by a 15-second of rep. This is 1 minute and there are 5 exercises. You see, one by one. And of course, after 5 minutes, you can relax. You can do 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, however you feel like. You can do it after watching this. So the first exercise is, all you need is a pair of dumbbell and this floor. You can do it on the floor. Okay, we are starting in, start this dumbbell press. You see, breathe in, breathe out. Do as many reps as you can. Try to create an arch in your back like this. 15 seconds left. Keep pushing. 5 seconds left. And relax. Next exercise is dumbbell fly. See, again on the floor, we'll doing dumbbell fly. If you want to reduce the rest, you can reduce the rest. But I request you to do it as it is for maximum benefits. Okay, next exercise, dumbbell fly. You see, touch. When you come up, squeeze the chest. Do it in controlled form. See, squeeze that chest. You can feel that pump already. Keep pushing. Almost 7 seconds left. And we are done. Next exercise is standing hacks. You do it like this. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you will breathe from the nose, breathe in and breathe out. Do not open your mouth. Okay, start. Standing hacks press. Do it in a straight line. You see, don't do it like this. Keep yourself still. Just your hands will move. It's look easy, but it is not. Relax. Next is dumbbell pullover. You can relax. You can ease your chest, your muscles in the break. Okay, now pullover. We just need one dumbbell for pullover. You see, simple pullover. Breathe in, breathe out. You keep your legs straight in this. You see, note this. See, slowly. You will feel a stretch from here. You see, you can do it fast. You can change your pace accordingly, according to your mood. Every pace has different benefits. Just make sure to enjoy the workout. And we are last rep. Relax. Okay. Now the last exercise, that is the brutal one. You will remember this exercise. So 5 seconds, 2 second rest. And start. This exercise is around double fly. You see, the lower you do it from the floor, the brutal it feels. and relax. Okay guys, we are done with the workout. You can already feel, I can feel the pump. I did it, you do it. You will feel the pump. And I guess see you in the next video with another 5-minute workout. Just stay down.